Are you spending hours pulling together all the supplies your students need into learning kits that support your curriculum? It takes a lot of time to research materials, place multiple orders, wait for them to arrive, and organize kits for each student or class. Nasco Education's personalized custom kit services will save you planning and prep time and put high-quality materials into your students' hands in just 4 easy, no-stress steps. Step 1. Call us to talk through your needs, your timeline, and your budget, and we'll help you create flexible learning kits that can be used in the classroom, at home, or wherever learning takes place. Step 2. We'll source and order exactly what you need to support your curriculum for any subject. Step 3. We'll bring together all your learning materials, organize, package, and ship your kits where you want them, when you want them. Step 4. When your materials arrive, you simply unpack and hand out the kits to your students, giving every child access to the same learning materials. Watch your students' faces light up as they start learning right out of the box.